Smart home, but vulnerable wallet. Fear not, warriors. Today, we'll build a security fortress around your smart space without spending a fortune. DIY tips, clever hacks, and free tools. Know your enemy. Security fundamentals. First, understand the threats. Weak passwords, open networks, sneaky malware. Then, craft your defense. Strong passwords, secure networks, vigilant eyes. Time to say goodbye. Password 123. Hello, complex security. DIY defense lines. Free and affordable tools. Free antivirus softwares. Two-factor authentication. Guest networks. Your first line of defense. Automation routines. Smart lock schedules. DIY motion sensors. Your second line. Let there be light, and fear not the shadows. Community watch. The power of awareness. Knowledge is your shield. Research vulnerabilities. Update firmware. Stay informed about cyber threats. Share tips with your smart home comrades. United we stand. Together, we'll make this neighborhood a castle against cyber villains. Your smart home, now a secure heaven. Share your own budget security hacks in the comments. Let's build a community of smart and safe homes. Remember, warriors, security doesn't need a hefty price tag. Be mindful, be informed, and be resourceful. Until next time, stay vigilant, stay secure, and keep conquering the tech world.